Oh, what the? I have a little bit of a problem with getting packages, not opening them right away, and then it just kind of takes up space. And I've been itching to upload a video anyway, so I figured I might as well do like an unboxing chit chat. I was about to say like a get ready with me, but I'm already ready. We're not getting ready. All right, I could not find I have this like box opener, which is better than using scissors, because every time I use scissors, I'm afraid that I'm gonna like stab through a box and then, you know, all of my hopes and dreams go and die with it. All right, so clearly I have not uploaded a typing test video in a really long time. I've actually added 4 boards to my personal collection recently, and you just don't see them anywhere on my channel because I kind of got stuck in like a bit of a rut. Last year, I set some like personal goals for myself to not just upload like disembodied typing test content. And I want you to know that I tried. I really tried. I planned a lot of things. I filmed a lot of things. But when it came down to it, I just kind of got stuck in my own head. I don't know if any other content creators feel like this, but I just feel like the level of talent that we have in the community just coming out with content is actually insane. I don't know, it might be like this for every hobby, right? But we have some seriously talented cinematographers, directors, 3D renderers out here who are producing content. I don't in any way think that I am competing in that space. But when I'm making content, it's like knowing that's what's out there. Like when you want to be like a keyboard content creator, it's a little it's a little disheartening. It's a little disheartening, I'm not gonna lie. Try really hard when I attempt to make content that isn't just, you know, me typing for about a minute, minute and a half. I have written so many like video scripts for my F1 review, for my W1 review. There was even a point in time where I was like going to release some sort of like drama video and I was working really hard on it, but everything always got left on the Google Docs floor because I just kind of got in my own head. The other day I actually had a realization that instead of just letting everything die in Google Docs, if I want to make content, I should just make content. The content, I guess, that I've always really wanted to make is more like vlog style content or more like behind the scenes of my life content, if you will, right? I feel like there's so much more to the keyboard hobby than just, hey, here's a new keyboard, something for you to buy, here it is. Okay, I've tried talking about this cable like a couple of times. I don't know which one is gonna make the cut, but this is a custom made cable to match ePBT Superstar. It was made for me by Sakura Reveries after they got their set in and they just love the color so much. All right, so I think this is a PCB, a spare PCB for my F1. So nothing too exciting. Where did I put my... But I don't want to commit to saying like, oh, like I'm gonna start doing like weekly vlogs or monthly vlogs or anything like that. But I do want to do more this year with my content than just typing test videos. So yeah, there's your warning. If you came here just for typing test content, I don't know, you're gonna start seeing more from me, hopefully. Oh my god. All right, so I ordered Crytox, more Crytox, because I noticed I was running low, sticker, and yes, this is a spare PCB for my F1. All right, this I believe is actually a gift from Keyzen, from Kevin over at Keyzen. We got 2 of the new Lemmy beanies that he came out with. Yeah, so I don't know. I just think I want to take more of like a casual approach to my keyboard content. If I take a more casual approach to it and gets me to upload more, I think I care about that more than never uploading anything because I can never get it just right. Oh, what the? Y'all. Alright, I need to check my invoice because I'm pretty sure I ordered another solder PCB. I could be wrong though. I could be 100% wrong. I don't have my phone on me, so I can't check, but we'll confirm. But damn, This is a good reason to open up your packages when you get them. Okay, what do we have here? All right, I have a tiny PCB that is definitely for a bill that I owe someone, but I feel like I already have a PCB for this board. Things would probably make a lot more sense in context if I opened them when I got them. This is ePBT RIN, designed by my friend Jen. It's the Porter Robinson set, so I mean, like, you kind of have to get it, right? You kind of have to get it, but I do not know how to open this box, and I'm a little bit scared. I'm just gonna manhandle this. Push the table a little bit closer. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. These look like the novelties. Here's the base kit. Wow, it looks good. All right, looks like, all right, these are the Latin alphas. And that's it. Okay, that's it, that's it. And I gotta say, it looks good. It looks good. All right, I got a new battery. Did not lock my camera in place, so it might look a little bit different. I don't know. I've only been doing this for like 2 days, for like 2 seconds. I have my phone now, so let's see. All right, KLC, solder PCB. I ordered this like a month ago. I don't know. They're not cheap, right? Like the shipping from KLC is not cheap. So it's like, I don't know. I don't know. It's my L though. Like it's my fault. I didn't open it. Okay, all right. I'm gonna open this box now. This is one of the newer ones that is here. So this one has not been sitting here for too long untouched, but I haven't gotten to this build yet. All right, I have a keyboard case, stabilizers, switches, and then I believe this is Wuche Studios Turquoise, designed by Typo MK. Oh shit, this is some fucking packaging. Do you see this? Like, it's got a sleeve, there's art on all sides, guys. Oh. Maybe I shouldn't have like twirled it around so much. It's not all, you know, picture perfect right now, but in the case it looks good. I think last but not least is this box, which came in yesterday. I'm trying my best not to go through too fast and then accidentally slice myself, but you know, the camera is rolling. So it is content, right? It is content. Oh my God, okay, all right, so hella plates, switches, oh my God. Inside here is the Drift Mechanics Clara. I say thank you so much to Drifting Bunnies for letting me build this prototype. I am very used to packages from DB coming in like the actual case. If you've ever gotten a keyboard from Drift Mechanics, it's always in a very snug carrying case that fits just perfectly like inside his boxes. All right, so unfortunately, I'm not gonna spoil you guys. I would have if it was just directly in the case, but it's not. Okay, I'm going to label these, clean up the boxes. There's like so many boxes here right now. Clearly it's a new day.
I did not put the keycaps on the 8-bit 60s when I said I would, so I kind of have to do it now. I'm trying to get all of the boards that I owe the Beatles, I guess. You know, my friends, some of my friends. I want to get all their boards out, hopefully tomorrow, because I need the space back. We built both of them today. It was awesome. But there is a mess behind me that I refuse to turn around now and address because we still have more work to do. As soon as stream ended, I took a look at Turquoise and I was like, I see a little gap on the J key, which probably means I need to go in and just push the switch in a little bit more. The difficult thing about half builds is that like this kind of like variance I can tolerate, but because I'm building for other people, which means it will go to someone's house, go back to someone's home, it will be judged, and I can't have this gap. But I guess it's a good opportunity for me to knock the 8-bit ones out of the way as well.